Hello there, folks. Take a look at this. I'm at the Alegance pool. It's the middle of the night, but I wanted to kind of bring this up before I went to the entertainment. I'm hoping the entertainment actually starts at 9:30 today. So that's kind of another story to talk about. Nothing major, just wanted to bring that up because I'm going to watch the show, and I'm hoping there's a show at 9:30, but they've been changing the times with stuff, and I'm hoping that there will be one at 9:30, which is coming up here just after 9. So here at the Alegance pool on this side, which is the bar, look at that lighting. Now, before last year in 2023, this whole area was darker than dark. The only light that was coming from the buildings here, when there was anybody, but this is the only light now that they have now. These big bright lights, the bottom ones, and this one way at the top above the actual awning of the roof for the bar. So I wanted to show you that this lighting is new, that they had turned on. Somebody must have complained or upset that it was too dark and it was a danger, you could fall in the pool, whatever. So they turned it on. It's been like that every day since I've been here. So I just wanted to show you that, because there is lighting now. They turned on the lighting that was existing here, so awesome, right? Awesome. Look, I won't fall in the pool. Anyway, so that's something they changed.